The big coalition to send Ruto home is now official. Umuthi ni gwakoro gukirekererio bisha yakoro ikienyenyia political scene na njira imwe nene muno. Rigathi Gachagua ni akorirwo akirekereria bisha iyo, na bisha ine iyo hena Eugene Wamalwa, Rigathi Gachagua, Martha Karua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Fred Matiang'i, Mukisa Kitui, Mithika Linturi, JB Muturi, and Mudogi hau itana menya no. But nahare akoro akiandika, the team to liberate Kenya gets bigger every day. Welcome Dr. Fred Matiang'i, Honorable JB Muturi, and Honorable Mithika Linturi. You are on the right side of history. Nekukora to ona speculations na recently netoronire Matiang'i akiuka ageshoka Kenya na akiamukiro hare airport na njira imwe nene muno. And there were speculations, and Rigathi agiuka na agiconfirm ati they are planning a meeting with Matiang'i. Na umuthi ni mareki ya ukoro magiconfirm uhoro uyu. And this coalition is about to send someone home. Coalition, consisting of Rigathi Gachagua, who is right now very toxic. Todo ena information imwe nene muno. As we have been seeing, nakoreto aki expose thirikari na njira imwe nene muno, and giving exposes za ndani cia kuria thenye fio cia kuria bedroom thirikari-ini ya William Ruto, tondu ni akiri thirikari-ini yo. And you can guess that combined with Martha Karua, combined with Matiang'i, combined with Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, and now Mithika Linturi, who was a CS, JB Muturi, who was a CS of Public Service and Attorney General. This is going to be a toxic one. Netuonete dhaishi kwanza Ruto and his team may very vulnerable. Right now they are very vulnerable, considering the fact that hena expose ragi koriro ikirekererio ni BBC, and tukora tukiona amaudu maige na uhoro cio nurumurite amaudu maige muno ma mururugano ria wari kuo on 25th of June 2024 wegi mururugano wa Gen Z, na nurumurite maudu maige muno confirming what Rigiji once said. Kono rikana wega he hidi kwari na press release, na after press release ya president Rigathi Gachagua aki-release press yake na akiuga ati there is something going on, hena kaudu karathi na mbere na tikega. That was a breach of protocol. Todo hide are deputy president no arutire speech yake after the president, na akiuga hena kaudu karathi wega, and if things don't change then it's going to be bad. Ira BBC nirakoriro confirm exactly what Rigiji had said that time, and what he has been saying is the truth. Kogo dhaishi thirikari very vulnerable, na kuonate right now Raila is not promised. Niakoreto hehede Oscar Sudi makoreto maki bash team ya ODM area against thirikari, Edwin Sifuna, James Orengo, na Raila akiyumiria na akimasupport na akiugate you should not be bashing my ODM people. I got into the broad-based government, me, and that does not bar my people from airing their views. Ate I gerire mufago ine wa broad-based government, na we kuigira mufago ine ushio, that does not prevent adoya gia ODM gukoroma keyaria uria marafil. That was supporting ogoneta gukoro wi thirikari na wi jaya thirikari. So Raila is not promised. And again, Raila aigerire thirikari ni atomire region ishige. The regions that were previously supporting Raila Amolo Odinga, region ita Coast region, ta Kisii, ta Kuria Western, meshirie keri. Na mone ona marafatara kingpin, because Raila had betrayed them. Raila aigerire mafago ine wa broad based without consulting. Kogo dhaishi hena a lot of kingpins will be formed, na dhaishi ODM nega yukanete. So it's not a promised block for William Ruto again on a getigo broad-based government ine. He doesn't have votes. Na netuona tedo ta Cosmo Choi agikora ni ufuata kama huduma siasa. Cosmo Choi aikara kore ya US, diyo kadha ishi ya US kana Kenya. But he has been supporting Ruto from the word go. But nirage koriro akirekereria domereri yako advice Ruto. Naramwira at this point Ruto has no votes. Raila has no votes. block ciake thaa ici nĩ cigayũkanĩte na o mũndũ aretha ũrĩa o region iretha ũrĩa ĩgũkorwo na kingpin, because Rigathi Gachagua stood with Murima even after gũkorwo akibashwo. He still didn't back down from gũkorwo arenda gũkorwo kingpin wa Murima na kwaria ũhoro wa Murima. That made every region have a feel like they want to have that sense of belonging. Makorwo ono mena mũndũ ũramarĩrĩria. Na koguo right now Raila has no votes. And Cosmo Choi, funny enough, in that advice to Ruto, akoro aki-advise Ruto na kumwira he needs to call Rigathi Gachagua and make peace with him. You know, ironania how the government is panicking and how Ruto's team is panicking with Rigathi Gachagua alone. Now, what about this whole team? What about this whole team? Ĩrĩa yumĩrĩtie thaa ici na marauga their main aim nĩ gũkorwo magisend Ruto packing. Mawoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ nĩ marĩkũ? What is your thought about this story? Comment down there and tell us what you think.
When I was here. Yes. No, I was yesterday. If it was me, they were not handled. He's here. I found him. People knew we are not.
No, we need to get this people. They're coming up.
Yes. It's not me. It's a lie. You know how? It is very good. Yes.
Ada yang percaya rindu nanti.